DPS Halwani Lamachor. Today we are going to start our new chapter of civics, and that is our last chapter, chapter 9, and the chapter name is Urban Livelihood. This chapter is basically related to the urban areas, and in this chapter you will get to know how the lives of the urban areas or the urban peoples. So let's start the chapter. There are more than 5,000 towns and 27 big cities in India. As you know, in our India, if we talk about especially our India, so more than 5,000 towns we are having and 27 big cities we have. Okay. Big cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata or etc. have more than a million people living and working here. Means in these big cities or the big towns, millions of peoples were living together and they were working together. They say the city never sleeps, and these big cities never sleeps. They always do the work. Okay, the city runs, we can say. Let's visit one and find out about the work people do in the city and how they are employed by someone or they are self-employed, how they organize themselves, and they do have similar employment and earning opportunity. Means in this chapter we will get to know how the people works, okay, how they are employed or they are self-employed, or how they get opportunity to do the work in other areas. Okay, so the chapter begins with the first topic, and the topic name is working on the street. This is our first topic. So let's see. This is the city where my cousins live. Now the story begins in this first topic. Okay, so one of the person who is telling his or her story. So one person is saying, this is the city where my cousins live and I have been here only for a few times. Means he is saying or she is saying ki, my cousin is living in this city and I came for few times. It is very big. The city is very big. Once when I came here, my cousin took me around, and when I came here, my cousin took me all the places. We left the house early in the morning. Now they were saying ki me and my cousin, they get up early in the morning and we left the house early in the morning. As we turned the corner onto the main street, we saw that it was already buzzing with activity. And that person is saying कि whenever we left the place, whenever we left the house, we saw as the corner of a main street, and when we saw it was buzzing. Means everywhere you can see the voice, the loudness, the peoples walking here and there. Okay, and they were moving, they were doing their work. That is the meaning of buzzing. Okay. So the vegetable vendor was busy arranging tomatoes. Now what the people is doing in the street, they were telling, means she is saying we can use she because we don't know whether it is a girl or a boy, so we give it as a girl. Okay, so she is saying the vegetable vendor was busy arranging tomatoes. Means our vegetable vendor, he is arranging their vegetables, carrots, tomatoes, take a cucumber in basket at her stall so that people could see what she had to sell. Next to her stall was a lovely, colorful one that sold all around, all kinds of flowers. And in the other side, means one side, a vegetable vendor is sitting and she is arranging their vegetables to sell it. And the other side, one lovely, colorful flowers has been kept over there. Okay, and she is selling many kinds of flowers there. We bought a red rose and a yellow rose. There means they were saying ki we have bought one red and yellow flower from that vendor. Okay, on the pavement opposite, we saw a person selling newspaper with a small crowd of people around him. And on the other side, on the other side of the street, they were saying कि we saw a one sailor who is selling their newspaper and he is moving around all over there. Everyone wanted to read the news up. As you know, every home you can see the newspaper. Why? Because everyone wants to aware what is going around you. So buses whizzed past here and there, auto rickshaw filled with school children. They were saying that we have seen so many buses, okay, auto rickshaw where children were get up and get down from there. Okay, nearby under a tree, a cobbler sat taking his tools and materials out of a small tin box. And one aside, we have seen a cobbler also who is sitting with their tools. ठीक है, जो भी उसके tools होते हैं, he is sitting with that. Next to him, roadside barber and begin his work. And next to the cobbler, we have seen a barber. Okay, he is already have a customer and who wanted an early morning shave. Means in that barber shop, we have seen so many customers seated over there to shave their means beard, hair, whatsoever it is. They were waiting for that. A little way down the road, a woman was pushing along a cart with all kind of plastic bottles, boxes, hairpins, clips, etc. And we have seen a little way down the road, they have seen that one woman was pushing a cart, and with that, and in that cart we have seen so many things like bottles, hairpins, boxes, so many things means kept over there in that cart. In it, while another person on a cycle trolley was carrying vegetables to sell to people in their houses. And on the other side, we have seen one person who is with a cycle trolley and who has captured all the vegetables, who is carrying all the vegetables and selling in their houses. Means the person is going to every houses and sell their vegetables. We came to a place where rickshaw were standing in a row waiting for customers. And at last we have gone there where the rickshaw stand were there. Rickshaw stand is there, okay, and it is in the row where the customers are waiting when they will get our auto rickshaw and when they will move from there. We decided to take one to the market, which was about 2 kilometers down the road. And at last they also have decided to take or to hire one rickshaw where they will go to the market. Now the second story, they have given बच्चू मांझी, a cycle rickshaw puller. अब बच्चू मांझी जो एक रिक्शा पुलर है, यानी कि साइकिल रिक्शा चलाती हैं, ठीक है. Now the story has given, I come from a village in Bihar. Now this is the story of बच्चू मांझी. He is telling about himself, वो अपने बारे में बता रही हैं that he came from Bihar where I worked as a mason. And वो बताते हैं कि पहले मैं मजदूरी का काम करता था. I worked as a mason. My wife and 3 children live in the village. And he is saying कि my wife and 3 of the children, they were living in the village. We don't own land. We don't have our own land. Okay. In the village, I did not get masonry work regularly. The income that I earned was not enough for our family, and whatsoever my income is, that is not in a regular basis, means मुझे daily नहीं मिलती थी. So that is the reason we did not get enough money for our family. After I reached this city, I bought an old cycle rickshaw and paid for it in installment. This was many years ago, and that is the reason means I left that village and I came to the city, where I have bought one old rickshaw, okay, and for that I am paying the installment every month. And this or a cycle rickshaw I have bought last from many years. Okay, I came to the bus stop every morning and I take the customers wherever they want to go. And he is saying ki every morning I came to that rickshaw stand, okay, and where I have take the customers from there, and I sell them where they want to go. I work till 8 o'clock in the evening. He is saying his since in the morning I worked until evening 8 or 8:30, ठीक है, 8:30 बजे तक रात के. I take ride up to 6 kilometers in the surrounding area. Means whatever the rickshaw stand is here, okay, वहाँ से वो कितना जाता है, he is moving around 6 किलोमीटर. 6 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर जितना भी रास्ता होगा, whatsoever distance it is, he is covering all area. Okay, each customer give me 5 or 10 rupees, 10 rupees trip depending on the distance. Means whatever the distance, customer will give 5 or 10 rupees, right? When I came till I can't do this work, so on those days I don't earn anything. And he is saying whenever I am sick or I am not feeling well or I am ill, at that time I did not came to run the cycle rickshaw, and on those days I did not earn a single money. I stay with my friends in a rented room. He is saying कि I am living with my friends, ठीक है, in a rent room. They worked in the nearby factory, and whatsoever partner I have, they all are working in a nearby factory. मतलब पास की factory में they are working. Okay, I earn between 80 to 100 every day, out of which I spend 50-60 on food and rent. He is saying daily I earn 80 to 100 rupees, where I spend 50 or 60 rupees for my food and for the rent. Means he is saving some money for his rent also. ठीक है, the rest I save for my family, and whatsoever is left, means 60 or 40 rupees, whatsoever it is, ठीक है, whatsoever money is left, he is saving for his family. I visit my village 2 or 3 times a year to see my family. He is saying कि I am going to see my family or visit my family when 2 to 3 years. Though my family survives on money I send, my wife also earns some from agricultural work that she get once in a while. And he is saying कि whatsoever money I am giving, they are surviving with that, and after that my wife is also working in the agricultural field, where she gets some of the money which she spent on their family. Now, like Bachchu Manjhi, a large number of people in the city work on the street. Like you have heard the story of a Bachchu Manjhi. In a same way, in a city there are many people who is working like that, ठीक है, on a street. In a survey of Ahmedabad city, it was found that 12% of all the workers in the city were people working on the street. Means they have done a survey, उन्होंने एक survey किया where in Ahmedabad city, where they have seen so many people were working on a street, ठीक है. So many means 12% of the workers or the peoples, they were working on the street of this city. They sometimes sell things or repair them or provide us services. What they will do, they will sell their things, ठीक है, on a card, or they can repair, they will set it somewhere or repair the things, ठीक है, and they provide us services door to door, means house to house. Okay, they work on their own, they are not employed by anyone, and therefore they have to organize their work. Means they are self-employed, means they are working by their own, ठीक है, and they are employed they are not employed by anyone, means वो किसी के अंडर में काम नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है, they are self-employed, and therefore they have to organize their work. Means how they will do the work, they will organize by their own. they have to plan how much they have to purchase, means every day they have to plan that how much they will purchase, how much they will sell, all the things they have to organize, okay, as well as where and how they will set up their shop. This is also the thing which they will think always. Their shops are usually temporary structure, means whatsoever work they are doing, that is a temporary, means on which day they will do the work they will get a money, and which day they will not do the work they will not did not get any single money. So that means that is a temporary structure. Sometimes just some boards or paper spread over discarded boxes, or maybe a canvas sheet hung up on a few poles. Means sometimes you can see small boards, papers, or papers were spread over there, okay, and they have hung some canvas sheet also, okay, on a few poles. They may also be used their own card or simply a plastic sheet spread on a pavement. On some on the side you can see some paper sheet has been spreaded over there, ठीक है। क्या होता है कि कहीं जगह आपको रोड साइड में, पोल्स में भी बहुत सारी जगहों पे क्या किया जाता है, दे विल स्प्रेड, वहाँ पर पेस्ट कर दिया जाता है पेपर और समथिंग एल्स, ठीक है, टू सेल देयर थिंग्स। They can be asked to dismantle their shops at any time by the police, ठीक है, और कहीं भी वो क्या करते हैं, they will put their shop at any of the street side, ठीक है, कहीं भी street side में they will put it their shop, जहाँ पर से उन्हें कभी भी हटाया जा सकता है through the police, ठीक है। They have no security, क्योंकि they did not have a permanent shop, right, they did not get a license, so that is why they can dismantle their shop by any time, कभी भी उनकी शॉप को हटाया जा सकता है, right? They did not have a security. They did not certain parts of the city where these hawkers are not allowed to enter, and some of the places where the hawkers are not allowed to enter, right? Vendors sell things that are often prepared at home by their families who purchase, clean, sort and make them ready to sell. Means some of the vendors you can see where they can prepare their things from the home, and after that they will sell in the market. For an example, who sell food or snacks on the street prepare most of these at home. Means most of the snacks you can see which has been prepared at home, and after that they will come to sell in the market. There are almost 1 crore street vendors in the country working in the urban areas. Means if we talk about the urban areas, we have been 1 crore people who is working on the street side, ठीक है, or they are working as a vendor, right? Street vending was till recently looked upon only as an obstruction to traffic. Now they were saying they have observed, means those they are street vendors, they are an obstruction of traffic, means वो ट्रैफिक बढ़ा रही हैं जिनकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक हो रहा है, and to people walking. The first reason of traffic is street vending, ठीक है, and the second one is people walking, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा क्या हो रहा है, रश, ठीक है, और उससे that we called as traffic. However, with the effort of many organizations, it is now recognized as a general benefit and as a right of people to earn their livelihood. Means with a lot of effort, many of the organization has recognized as a general benefit, ठीक है, and as a right to people to earn their livelihood. Means ये देखा गया, to recognize किया गया कि क्या है अर्निंग सबके लिए, उनका अधिकार है, सबका राइट है. The government is thinking about modifying the law that the banned street vendors so that they have a place to work and there is also free float of traffic and people. Means the government has observed this, ठीक है, means everyone has a right to earn their livelihood, so that is the reason government has modified their laws, ठीक है, अबाउट द स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स. स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स के लिए जो लॉ बनाए गए थे उसे थोड़ा और मॉडिफाई किया गया ताकि क्या हो कि वो अपना काम भी कर सकें और क्या ना हो, ट्रैफिक भी ना हो, फ्री फ्लो हो ट्रैफिक का। Hawking zones have been suggested for towns and cities, means for the venturing or the hawking. They have suggested some areas where they can sell their things, ठीक है, or earn their money. It has also been suggested that mobile vendors should be allowed to move around freely, and government has give them an authority that mobile vendors also give them a assurance or the allowance where they can move around freely. Hawkers need to be part of committees that are set up to take these and other decisions relating to them. Now come to our third topic, that is in the market. In the market, when we reached the market, the shops were just beginning to open. Now they were saying, these two cousin and that girl, they were saying that when we reached to the market, we have seen most of the shops were opening at that time. But the place was already crowded because of the festive season. As you know, when the festival seasons arrive, at that time there is a lot of rush on the market. So in the same way, they were saying that there is a festival season, and in this festival season we can see a lot of peoples moving around then, okay? But there was rows and rows of shops selling, where they have seen many rows where they were selling what? Selling sweets, toys, clothes, footwear, utensils, electronic good or etc. There was a dentist clinic also at one side, and at the one side they have seen a dentist clinic. एक dentist का clinic भी उन्होंने देखा. My cousin had an appointment with the dentist, and my cousin she is having an appointment with that doctor, ठीक है. We went there first so that we would not miss our turn. At first we went there, हम लोग वहाँ सबसे पहले पहुँच गए. Then we did not get our turn, हमारी जो turn है वो miss ना हो जाए. That is why we reached at the first. We had to wait for a while in a room before we called inside, and we have to wait, ठीक है, in a waiting area, and after that the doctor will call inside our cabin, inside their cabin. The dentist examined her and asked her to come back the following day to get a cavity in her tooth filled. Means doctor has examined, doctor has seen whatsoever is there in her teeth, and doctor suggested that on the you will come on other day, and then means in your teeth there is a cavity, and he will fill after some other day. So my cousin was scared because she thought the process would be painful. Means the girl is saying whatsoever doctor has suggested. My cousin has listened all this, and she thought whatsoever the process doctor is saying, it is very painful, and by hearing all these things she is very upset that she had allowed her teeth to go bad. From the dental clinic, she took me to a new garment showroom because I wanted to buy some ready-made clothes. Now after that she went to a new garment showroom, ठीक है, उसकी जो cousin थी, ठीक है, she took her to the new garment showroom where she wanted to buy some new clothes, new ready-made clothes. The showroom had 3 floors. Each floor had different types of clothes, and in that showroom there is a 3 floors, ठीक है, 1 2 3 3 floors were there, where each floor has a different types of clothes. You have seen here also, if we went to a showroom, there is a different floors, ठीक है, like gents, kids, ladies. So in the same way they were saying the same. We went to the 3rd floor where clothes for girls were kept, and they were saying कि we went to the 3rd floor where girls clothes were kept over there, ठीक है. Now come to our next topic, topic 4, that is Harpreet and Vandana, business persons. Now there is a story of two girls, that is Harpreet and Vandana, and they are a business persons.
This is the end of this topic. Now we will discuss next topic in our next video.